Hi guys and welcome back on Now I Know channel. Today's video we're gonna talk about how to add an editor to your Facebook page. So without getting further, let's jump right into it. As you see now, we are on our personal profile. So let's switch to the Facebook page. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. It's up to you to choose which task should Angel manage. You can turn it on or turn it off. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. As you see guys, an invitation has been sent to this account. Of course, it won't be able to access the page or to be an editor on the page until she or he accept the invitation.